So far, I've been running TS Node to see if there are any type errors in my code. For example, with this function example I have here, I'd have to run TS Node typing functions index.ts before I realize that there is an error here. Now, it will be a painful experience where if I write any code, I have to run TS Node to know if everything is fine. But I don't have to do that. And thanks to my editor, VS Code, I can get immediate feedback when I'm having some type errors. I even had to turn off this feedback just for the case of this video. So down here, I had to turn off some TypeScript and JavaScript feedback. But now if I should comment that out, you can see that right here in my VS Code, I am already getting some feedback. Argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. Also, if we should go to this place where I have basic types, here I say age should be a string, but I'm instead passing a number here. But then if I change this back to a number, everything is fine. Well, not everything. I have this other place that says another property, something. But then in my type here, I don't have another property, but I can take it out. And now this code is fine. Coming back here, we haven't removed this error yet. So if I have this as 50, now that is fine. With this, I don't have to run TS Node. I get feedback directly in my editor and I can fix those errors. And I will only need TS Node when I want to compile this from TypeScript to JavaScript. Now, if you're using VS Code, you most likely also already have the TypeScript support in it. But if you're using any other editor, you probably don't. So I'd recommend going online and checking for your editor if it has TypeScript or how to set up TypeScript in your editor. But VS Code, you have to do little or no settings because TypeScript is already inbuilt in VS Code.